What's going on today, guys? I'm going to be stripping down the motor for the cart. I already got most of the automatic transmission stuff off of it. The, what do they call those? I don't remember. I'll put it on the screen now if I remember. But I got that off, got it on a stand. And now I'm gonna start stripping the whole motor, head off, everything. We're gonna check the pistons. We're gonna paint the block. We're gonna do everything cool like that. Camera's gonna die soon, so I'm gonna put you guys on charger, but then I'll put you on my head and we'll tear the whole motor down. So, hope you guys enjoy this. Okay guys, back on the head cam. We're gonna be stripping this whole motor down. What we're gonna start with doing, I guess I'll just start doing it now. And get these spark plugs out of here. That's gone. I'm just gonna lay stuff here. I don't know what else to put it. Okay guys, I got this thing stripped down to a bare long block. I'm gonna start cleaning up the pistons. I'm gonna keep the pan on, and I'm gonna keep the oil filter on. I'm gonna take this off most likely, or maybe tape it up, just so I can paint the block, paint the oil pan all at one shot. Took the water pump off. We won't be touching the front of the motor. I will be cleaning it though. So I'm gonna get to cleaning this, and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, well after a couple hours of work, the engine is mostly taped off, ready to be shot. This piece of tape keeps falling because of the oil, I'm not gonna lie. Got the head taped off. It's a little rudimentary because I don't want paint going where it shouldn't. But I got that covered by a rag. We're just gonna make sure we don't hit it. We're just gonna paint the block. So we're gonna do that and I'll be right back with you guys. So I just got done painting it, guys. It looks pretty good, doesn't look great. Not really looking for the best quality here. I'm just like making it look good. But it definitely looks pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm gonna let this dry. And I also just shot my wing with the blue paint matcher to my hardtop. So I'm also gonna let this dry. Shop's a little contaminated. So I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight, but I'll be back when this is done drying. So this is the like ending part of the engine tear down. You got the engine all tear down. I painted it. Looks pretty good. You know, nothing to write home about overall. I'd say it came out pretty good. Definitely much better than it was. Just wanted to film a little outro for you guys, just showing you how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day.